Hello everyone, welcome to Team Developers channel, and today in this short video I'll show you how to fix stuttering in games on AMD GPU. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, then hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like the video. And without wasting time, let's start our video. So you just need to follow every step with me. And at last, just enable this game mode. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, then hit like button and don't forget to subscribe Team Developers channel. Thank you for watching.